Honorable CM Banglo. We are not in a position to go on standing up here. There are only two options I think that we have. One is to go to the CM Banglo, or one is the police stoppers. We have to go and sit in Panjim police station. There is no other option. So this is the sixth time we are coming to the street in the last 18 months. And how many more times we are going to come? It cannot be. It is very stressful to bring all these people out. Expensive, headache, everything has to be stopped. So we proceed now to CM's Banglo to tell him. Now if nobody is giving us an answer, what to give? And we have come here with an appointment. We have not just come here without telling the administration. We have come here with an appointment. So the only option is we will take the buses now and proceed to CM's Banglo. If CM is not there, then we have to wait till CM comes or send somebody to speak to us. Some assurance should be given to us. This cannot go on. So we will proceed now. Thank you very much. ना
अजिन बस आले जाऊ द्या गणेश बाप खवे दादा
Let us sit in the police station. I want to know where is my money. It is not something which is difficult for the administration. Tomorrow we will close down. People will say you have closed down without telling us. So now we are telling you we are closing down. You give us the money or close us down.
But what do you think is the real problem? Why it is not getting clear?
Let the CM give an answer. I said first only, I am not going to make any accusations against nobody. I am come for the money. If there is no money, send us home. Some order and send us home. Every time I have to take medicine, every time I have to take injection, every time I have to go to the doctor. I am not benefiting. People think we NGOs are making money. People think that there is vested interest or there is some benefit in it. So let those people come forward and look after these people and understand how much money they also will make money. Who is saying there is no money in running NGOs? There is money. So because there is money, let everybody make the money, no? Why should we only take all the trolls, all the abuses, all these acquisitions, and we only break our head? It is not what I did not come for this.
So what is the amount actual due that you are...
See, we have 200 residents. CM has given 70% at 20,000 rupees per person and 30% he has given at 12,500 rupees per person.
This is the issued order to the...
Already money is given in the budget. Okay. The money is there, is allocated, it's sitting idle last 45 days. Why are they not giving the money?
Okay.
Let them tell when they are giving the money, no? And when and why they are delaying it. Every time we are going to ask the same question.
So which department is actually holding this?
See, social welfare and person with disability. The minister is same, the secretary is same.
What about the director? What the director
I am not
says?
going to go to that level because we have started with the CM, we will end with the Honorable CM. And the CM has given the instructions and we all are not following it and we all have no time, then let the CM...
Would it be okay if the director comes and talks to you or you can go to the director? And
I am not
talk
talking to nobody. We want to meet the CM.
Okay.
Because CM has put the money, no?
Yeah.
So we should not go round and round and round. He gives the instruction today, the job is done to now just now, no? Where is the problem? The directors know there is a problem. The directors know that there are people on the street. Directors know there are homeless. Directors know you have no building.